If your solvent ever gets below a desired level in the Clean Blast Pro, you can always easily refill it. This can be done by both manual and automatic methods. The manual method is used for the small bottles of 3M Novec 72DA. This is done by taking the refill assembly, which is purpose-built for the small bottle, and attaching one end to the bottle and the other to the refill assembly ports on the front of the Clean Blast. I'll go ahead and turn this to start relieving pressure, and while that's going on, I'll attach the other end to the bottle. That depressurization process takes about 30 seconds, and once you hear the end of the depressurization, you're okay to proceed. You'll get an indicator on the screen that says Attach Fill Kit. The refill assembly is marked with a top indicator that denotes the top port assembly should be connected. Make sure that it's fully attached on both sides, and then simply hold the bottle up above and let the manual refill process proceed. Okay, now that I've emptied the bottle completely, I can detach the assembly by pinching the two levers from the refill assembly. And the final step is I close the refill port cover.